Hello everyone, my name is Gianni and today I'm going to show you how to save a text preset in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump straight into DaVinci and let's see how to do that. So first we need to start by creating a custom text elements that we'd like to use as a template. So let's go ahead, click on the edit page, click on effects, titles, and drag a text element onto our timeline. Then we can customize our text. So for example, I can go ahead and change the font and change the color to, let's say, this yellow. Perfect. Once we are happy with how our text looks, we can go ahead, click Media Pool, click these three dots right here and enable the power bins. This will enable this section right here, where you will be able to save some elements that you can then use across multiple projects. So let's right click in the master folder and create a new bin, rename it custom text. And now we can drag the text from our timeline into the new bin in the media pool. And just like that, the text preset will be saved and ready to use in other projects. So if you open a new project, let's call it text2a, you will be able to reuse your saved text preset simply by dragging and dropping it onto the timeline. And that's how you create a text preset in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.